All right, guys, I'm at Trader Joe's. Let's go see what we can find.
Hi friends! Today is a special day because I am going on a field trip with Kat. So we are going to Trader Joe's, one of my favorite places because they have food there that I didn't know I needed in my life. We are here today with the start of fall to find what delicious autumn meals are out there for us to try. So we are going to do the grunt work of going through the store and trying to find these yummy snacks and yummy dishes that we would recommend or maybe not recommend for you to have at home as well. I can't wait to see what's inside. Fall is definitely here. All right, I'm gonna snag me one of these. I just know these are gonna be good. I need these. Oh, I found them. Pumpkin tortilla chips. I found it. Pumpkin empanadas. Found it. Awesome shopping success. Kat, I love Trader Joe's. It's just, well, for me it really was a field trip because I don't have one that's really close by my house, so I don't get to go there whenever I want. It just kind of has to be a special trip. But I am so glad we went.
So we picked up some fun things, but first I just wanted to tell you guys that we thought we add a new series to our library where we would go and try new items at stores and at restaurants because nobody wants to buy something and find that it's a big dud. So let Gina and I do that for you. So we picked up these pumpkin empanadas. And it says delicately spiced pumpkin filling and a traditional flaky pastry. A Trader Joe's twist combining a classic South American pastry and traditional pumpkin pie.
Did you see what I got? But it's good.
Now that I know it's really a pumpkin pie, then I like it. But because I was expecting it to be savory, I was like, that was a surprise. But I give it a thumbs up.
I do too.
It's good.
It is good.
And then the second frozen item we bought were these mini spicy pumpkin samosas. Spiced pumpkin and paneer filling wrapped in a crisp, flaky pastry.
This I love. It is, the box delivers. What it says is what I'm tasting. And I like the savory, I like the spice.
If you like the chicken one, you're gonna like this. Pumpkin tortilla chips.
It's not anything for me. I don't really taste a lot of pumpkin.
You can probably notice the pumpkin slightly because you know it's in there. But yeah, you could make nachos with this. Would I buy this to make nachos with? Probably not. But is it a thumbs up? No, it's just like meh.
I think of it as if you accidentally picked up this kind instead of regular tortilla chips, and you're fine. Use it for what you are going to use it for.
This is called the Pumpkin Spice Pretzel Slims. And it's with crushed pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds.
Oh, they're cute. And you can see the little caramel drizzle marks. And they went as far as to say actual size. I'd say they're pretty close. I think it's good. It tastes like any other, if you've had yogurt covered pretzels, like those kinds of snacks, it tastes like those because of the yogurt being the first ingredient. It's good and crispy. I taste a little bit of, I can't say it tastes like pumpkin anything, but it does taste like a fall version of yogurt covered pretzel.
I do taste the cloves and the cardamom, so that does stand out, but I don't taste the pumpkin. That is what Gina and I got together, but I'm impulsive. I did pick up some extra stuff. They had a giant display of this cinnamon bun cookies, and it says it's soft baked cinnamon and brown sugar cookies, sandwiching a cinnamon bun flavored cream filling. It's chewy. Thumbs up. This is good. Another staple, because it's fall, there was no chocolate batons on display. They switched it out for these pumpkin spice batons. It tastes like vanilla. I don't know where the pumpkin spice is. Okay, so the other thing I picked up were these pumpkin spice granola bars. It says it's gluten-free, so that's important for certain people. Pumpkin spice flavored granola layered with dark chocolate and topped with toasted pumpkin seeds. Let's try this out. See if it's anything special. I don't taste pumpkin or spice. It tastes like a regular granola bar with chocolate and pumpkin seeds. That's all I picked up. Gina, what else did you pick up?
So I picked up some ice cream, pumpkin ginger. There's 8 mini ginger cones filled with pumpkin ice cream and white confectionery coating. And they look like this. Look how cute they are. I'm gonna eat it now. Ooh, this is good. I taste the pumpkin and I just slightly, but I taste it and then I taste the spice, which is really good. And then let me try the cone. Oh, that's really good. So the cone is like flavored too, so a little bit gingery with a little spice. So go out and buy this.
I mean, this is just some of the things they have there. I mean, Trader Joe's does a really great job in bringing a lot of seasonal items in. The only sad part about that is that you fall in love with an item and it's gone.
These two. The samosas, oh, they have slide right? Okay, and the ice cream cones.
I like the samosas. I like this. All right, guys, that is it. That is what we picked up at Trader Joe's this week. If there's any new items at the store, maybe at Costco, a Target haul, or another Trader Joe's haul that you guys want us to try, put it in the comment section below. We're gonna do future videos of more things like this. It's fun for us, and I'm sure you guys wanna know, what they taste like so you don't waste your money. Make sure you click and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos that we're putting it together. We're so excited. The holidays are coming. There's lots of things to try and to share with you guys. So we will see you guys next week. Thanks, friends.